Ethylene oxide, or ETO, is one of those chemicals a lot of us might never think about, but it plays a massive role in factories just like yours. ETO is a flammable, colorless gas that turns airborne at just above 51 degrees Fahrenheit. If you ever catch a whiff of something that smells like ether and you know ETO's in use, that's your warning sign. You'll find ETO in the production of all kinds of everyday stuff: solvents, antifreeze, textiles, detergents, adhesives, polyurethane foams, and pharmaceuticals. It's also present in fumigants and sterilants for spices, cosmetics, and in hospitals, where it's used to sterilize surgical gear. But here's where you need to pay attention: exposure to ethylene oxide can seriously harm your health. Some symptoms show up right away: eye pain, sore throat, trouble breathing, or even blurred vision. With higher exposure, things can get worse: dizziness, nausea, vomiting, convulsions, skin blisters, headaches, and a cough that just won't quit. The long-term risks? They're even more serious. ETO is a known carcinogen. That means it's linked to leukemia and other types of cancer. It's also tied to spontaneous abortion, genetic damage, nerve damage, muscle weakness, and even problems with memory and thinking. And if it gets on your skin in liquid form, that can cause severe irritation, especially if it sits there for a while. Now, what should your employer be doing to keep everyone safe? According to OSHA, exposure limits are very strict: no more than 1 part per million over an 8-hour shift, and never over 5 parts per million in any 15-minute period. If ETO exposure stays below half a part per million as an 8-hour average, those extra rules don't apply. But once you hit that action level, it's a whole different story. Employers have to monitor the air, provide medical exams, train workers, and label any containers with ETO. If those limits are exceeded, they must use engineering controls, safe work practices, and a written compliance program. They're also required to set up areas where ETO levels are high, provide medical surveillance for anyone exposed over 30 days per year, and supply the right personal protective equipment. And remember, rotating employees to stay under the limit isn't allowed. So, stay alert, know the signs, and always follow the right safety procedures. When it comes to ETO, it's better to be safe than sorry.